Hello guys, welcome to Code Coffee Chill. Today we are going to learn about ASP.NET Core tutorial. So in this course we will discuss all the basic, intermediate and advanced ASP.NET Core concepts that help you build data-driven web applications. By the end of this course you will able to perform all the CRUD operations, that is create, read, update and delete using SQL servers as our database. We will create as ASP.NET Core application from scratch. As we build the project and progress through the course, we will discuss everything all you need to know about data-driven web application using new ASP.NET Core Web Framework from Microsoft. We'll be discussing in detail what is ASP.NET Core, ASP.NET Core MVC, ASP.NET Core Identity, and Entity Framework Core. So, what is ASP.NET Core? ASP.NET Core is a cross-platform, high-performance, open-source framework for building modern cloud-based internet-connected applications. ASP.NET Core is redesigned of ASP.NET 4.x. For this reason, it was initially called as ASP.NET 5, but later it renamed to ASP.NET Core 1.0. ASP.NET Core can be redesigned from the ground and offers the following benefits and features. Here, as we can see, these are the for benefits and features of ASP.NET Core. Cross, Cross-platform unified programming model for MVC and Web API, dependency injection, testability, open source, modular. So, going on, we will discuss each and every benefit of ASP.NET Core in detail. First, we come cross-platform. What is cross-platform? ASP.NET Core application can be developed and run across different platforms like Windows, Mac OS, or Linux. And ASP.NET Core applications can be hosted on IaaS, Apache, Docker, or even self-host in your own process. From development standpoint, you can either use Visual Studio or Visual Studio Code for building .NET Core applications. You can also use third-party editors. The next is Unified Programming Model for MVC and Web API. Both the MVC controller class and the ASP.NET Web API controller class inherit from the same controller base class and returns iAction result. iAction result is an interface and it has got several implementations. View result, JSON result are just two examples of the built-in result types that implement iAction result interface. So in this case of Web API, the controller returns a JSON result, and in the case of MVC style web application, it returns a view result. It does not make any sense, right? At the moment, do not worry. It will be crystal clear as we progress through the course. The next is dependency injection. ASP.NET Core has built-in support for dependency injection. Testability is used for unit testing ASP.NET Core applications, and it made easy to test our written applications. Open source. Open source ASP.NET Core is fully open source and being actively developed by the .NET team in collaborating with the vast community of open source developers. So if there are any bugs and these developers will improve, help fix bugs and problems, and this means we have the more secure and better quality software. Modular. ASP.NET Core provides modularity and middleware components. The request and response pipeline using the middleware component. It includes a rich set of built-in middleware components. We can also write our own custom middleware components. So, what are the prerequisites for ASP.NET Core to learn ASP.NET Core? So, we required basic HTML, CSS, C Sharp. You do not have to be an expert by any means. All you need is the basic knowledge of HTML, CSS, and C Sharp. Prior MVC knowledge is helpful but not required. Even if you do not have any experience with MVC, that's okay. We will be discussing all the required MVC basics in this course. So later on, we are going to create ASP.NET Core web application in our upcoming video. Thanks. Please subscribe. Thank you.